This video is to explain how to use the interactive figure to answer the question about constant functions, or specifically over what interval is a function constant. Now we're told some instructions here towards the top that in this figure we're going to select the constant bullet and check the interval and function value boxes. So when you click on this interactive figure, it will open in a separate window. So let's select the constant bullet and also interval and function values. So we're also told that we can use the left and right arrow keys to move along a slider as needed. These sliders are located here at the bottom. You could click and drag them like so. Same thing with the other point. But we're trying to find where is this function constant. There are a couple other options here for display, so I'm going to go ahead and click on these as well. Even though it does not mention that in the instructions, let's see what we can fully see about this particular constant piece of this piecewise function. So a constant function is a function that has no change in the y value. In other words, its slope is 0, it looks horizontal, or flat. So in this piecewise function, we're looking at this particular piece of the function. That piece of the function is here, where f of x has an output of 14 if x is between 1.5 and 5. So I can move these sliders like so to get to those locations, 1.5 and 5. And notice there is no change across that entire piece of the function. The y value at the beginning, or the endpoint of that piece, is 14, and the y value at the other endpoint of that piece is also 14. So the x interval over which this function is constant is from 1.5 to 5. So when we return here and we type this in function notation, we get the following.